शर्मा सिस्टर्स। सो गाइस आप देख सकते हैं हमारे पास ये बड़ा सा बॉक्स है, सॉरी बॉक्स नहीं है,
बड़ा सा पार्सल आया हमें ऑल द वे फ्रॉम बुल्गारिया।
सो वहाँ पे हमारे शर्मा सिस्टर्स के फैंस हैं जिन्होंने बहुत सारे प्यारे प्यारे गिफ्ट हमारे भेजे हैं और मैं 2 साल से वेट करती कोई तो कुछ भेजे।
अरे कितनी लालची है,
पर जाके किसी ने कुछ भेजा।
ऑल्सो आई हैव टू रियली थैंक यू दीज 2 गर्ल्स जो बुल्गारिया से उन्होंने भेजा ऑल द वे। गाइस बहुत एफर्ट लगता है एंड लेट मी टेल यू दीज 2 girls are just mere 14-15 year old. So I first of all please अगली बार ऐसा मेहनत करके कुछ मत भेजना, बट ये जो आपने भेजा है इट इज सो गुड। अभी हम आपके सामने शेयर करने वाले हैं कि उन्होंने क्या क्या भेजा है, तो फटाफट शुरू करते हैं।
ओके
सो फर्स्ट थिंग क्यूट सा पिलो भेजा है कि यू कैन सी दिस। हम इस पे ऐसे गाना लगा के सो जाएंगे,
ये ताने की कार में रख सकते हैं।
यस
एंड
देन देयर दिस मैंने कलर थोड़ा
तूने खोल लिया, तूने बोला था कि तू नहीं खोलेगी। आई केप्ट इट फॉर यू एंड ओपन इट।
हाँ तो ये भी है, ये खोलो ठीक है। मैं जब तक दूसरा गिफ्ट दिखा दूँ क्या?
हाँ दिखा।
ये क्यूट सा डब्बा भी है जिसमें बहुत सारी लॉलीपॉप्स हैं।
और किसने भेजा है वो कौन बताएगा?
हम बताएंगे। जैसे मैंने बोला कि 2 क्यूट लड़कियों ने हमें भेजा है।
I don't know what is this. बाप रे। Okay,
Finally, let's just speak in English so that they understand.
Wow, this is so pretty. Oh my God. So this is. So you can see यहाँ पे हमारे फोटोज हैं। ये गोवा वाला फोटो है, फिर ये ताने का पहली कार वाला फोटो है,
This is so
और
nice.
this is गोवा का फोटो है।
Sharma sisters, thank you so
We
much.
didn't have any frame for Sharma sisters, so thank you so much, guys. Then we have this roll. I don't know कि ये कैसा रोल है। चलो गाना खींचो।
Okay.
Oh my God, हमने इतनी मेहनत करी है। मंजूर ने, हाँ।
Oh my God, इतना सारा hard work. Thank you so much.
I'm so lucky to
So
have
lucky
you
to
guys.
have you,
Yeah.
yeah.
I mean, after 2 years and you guys are still showering so much of love, and these are all the pictures we have. Oh my God, thank you so much. Made by Tanya X Life.
Yes.
That's the
Fan club name.
Fan club name. So उन्होंने हमारे लिए बनाया है। तूने ये भी खोल लिया ना?
मैंने पूरा नहीं बोला।
तू कर ऐसे ही कर मेरे साथ।
अरे I was very curious.
हाँ, so even I was. Did I open without you?
नहीं मत मैंने
चुप रह। बर्थडे से पहले मुझे तो सारे गिफ्ट्स खोलने मिल रहा है।
I saw yesterday. It's very pretty. So
These are the neck pieces, I think.
yeah, और ये handmade jewelry है. So your style by Dea. So ये हमारी fan है.
एक और फैन है ये।
ये हाँ 2 लड़कियों ने भेजा. One of the girl is her.
Yours. So this is her picture. अगर आप
She
देख सकते
is
हैं तो।
very sweet and she keeps making amazing
Okay, I'll
videos for
just
us.
read what she has written. These are the handmade jewelry for your both. I will be so grateful if you read the whole text in this sheet. Yes, we will read it for you. I made this jewelry special for you with so much love. I am Dea, 13-year-old girl from Bulgaria, and I ride horses. Wow. My dream is to have chance to buy a 3rd horse for myself without help of my mother. So I decided to start this business. When I was thinking what to buy for your surprise, I decided that it will be nice if I made something. Then I started to make the jewelry special for you. So the business, अगर आपको चाहिए तो Instagram account पे your style by Dea करके है.
And then we have one more gift.
Can I open something?
I have one more gift. There is Tanya X Life, which is Dea, and then there is Tanya X Admirer. So these are the 2 girls who sent us this.
ये थोड़ा ऐसा टूट गया है।
कोई नहीं, it came all the way
I'm
from.
gonna join it like this. I'll put a tape or something.
So Jamile and Dea, हाँ ये दोनों बहुत cute हैं.
And this is the picture.
Mom will be so happy.
We have letters, I think.
We have letters from them.
lots of letters.
And let me tell you, these are young girls. उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि उन्होंने अपने पेरेंट्स से छुपा के पैसे इकट्ठा करके सारी चीजें ली हैं. So it was
Wow,
so
guys,
sweet.
thank you so much, you guys. Like, this is my first time I ever received gifts from anybody apart from my family.
Oh.
Okay, so we
This
have
is so
at least
sweet.
one cup is alive. So this is the cup, if you can see. Very pretty. Another cup. Sorry, it's broken.
So we have Tanya X Live.
And
She made such cute
this is the sketch she's made.
from her own hand. I love you, I really do. It's not just a cliche when I'm saying it to you. It means more than just I enjoy watching the movies you part of. It means I have butterflies when I see your smile. I just want to see you and hug you, then just pause the time and stay there forever. Oh yeah, love letter lag raha hai mujhe. Wow.
I wish I could say this about my sister to see her smile. So this is for me. Then there is some Kritu X Shine. Kritu X Shine is a fan
मैंने भी
club.
बहुत सारी बनाई है दीदी.
And
तान्या एक सेट
उन्होंने दिया है. So Tanya X Admirer made Sharma sisters also. See?
Wow. तेरी नाक कितनी बड़ी है इसमें.
चुप रहे. So this is Sharma sisters.
Okay, now we have the letters.
This is for
तुमसे
Tanya.
तो नहीं लिखा ना बहन.
चुप रहे.
See? This is my letter. I'm gonna read it fatafat.
Yeah.
Sometimes I can't guess what I did that the life has given me you as the perfect gift and the most precious blessing. I didn't remember falling in love with you. Feeling likha hai. Anyway, I didn't remember falling in love with you, but I remember when I didn't know what the real love was until I could feel it. बहुत love you लिखा है. Thank you so much guys. Love you.
आप लोगों को पता नहीं असलियत में क्या है.
नहीं यार, मैं प्यारी बच्ची हूँ.
चुप रहे. So this they have made for me. I'm gonna read fatafat. Yes, I love you, Kritu. You know this is the small thing that I can do for your smile. You deserve more. This is a small thing that I can express my great love for you. I want you to know that I love you very much. You always make me happy. You are the
Never makes me
most
happy.
special person in my life. Love you now and forever. Thank you so much.
Just wanna be so grateful for all the love you shower, and it's not necessary guys कि gifts देंगे तभी हमसे खुश होते हैं, नहीं, but the effort these two girls have put in, hats off to them. Lots
Thank
of
you
love
so
to all of you for watching us, for our 25 lakh family.
So do not forget to do 3 things, which is like, share and subscribe. Bye guys. Mwah.